In Singapore, everyone is requested to stay vigilant and monitor their health, and this includes twice daily temperature taking. Since January, it is common practice to be temperature checked when you go into any buildings, including shopping malls, office buildings, cinemas, and schools, etc. Temperature screening is done on all Thales sites, but we also have employees working off-site, as example in remote location, on customer sites, working on tracks, etc.
It's not a cure for the virus, but it's a small step in helping improve the efficiency of teams who have to work on a remote basis, and also for people who work on the front line among a crisis. We are also supporting the Thales team in coupling with local government regulations.